This is the current state of our house after having bought it about 22 months ago. We've had our hands completely full with the interior of this house, so we have completely neglected the exterior. Our lawn looks horrible, there's zero curb appeal. But a TruGreen specialist just showed up to our house and applied the first treatment on our lawn, and I feel really good about an expert coming in to give his professional input to improve the health and beauty of our outdoor space, because all we've done is remove trash, pick up leaves, pull weeds, and repeat that process over and over again. And because TruGreen has the ability to offer a tailored solution to help our lawn look the best that it can look in a low maintenance and cost effective way, it's going to allow us to continue to focus on other renovations in our house. So I'm super excited to be working with TruGreen here in the upcoming months to get that up and running, but I'm gonna show you guys what the house looks right now. I'm gonna break down room by room and show you all the details of everything that's happened in the last couple of years. We haven't done a whole lot to the living room just yet. We refinished the floors, we put wood ceilings up, which is probably one of my favorite things we've done, and we've covered 2 of the walls with paneling because soon we'll get built-ins covering that soon. And on the exterior walls, we've also ripped those down, put insulation in the cavities, and put new drywall up, added some curtains, and that's about it. So I guess we've done a few things to the living room. Bro, yes, you good doggy. The layout actually used to not be like this. There used to be this weird little nook in here, and we actually built out this closet to give us a lot more storage. As you can see, there's all sorts of junk in there right now. But adding this exterior wall right here allowed this entire wall to be much bigger, allowed us to put a bigger TV on here, and it made the room look a lot bigger. Moving into this little hallway corridor, actually done quite a bit of work in here, tearing down lots of walls, cleaning things up, and recently my wife Gabby just put this gallery wall up, and honestly everything she touches ends up looking incredible. She picked the paint colors, thrifted all these frames, the mirrors, the candlesticks, everything. She loves thrifting. So she likes the little cozy grandma look, and that's kind of the vibe we're going through. That's kind of the vibe she's going for this whole house. I'm more of a minimalist person, but she's definitely a cozy grandma. We also took the time to custom make a few doors here, one for the HVAC closet and another for kind of a linen closet that also connects to the bathroom. I've made a couple videos on this already. Heading into the primary bedroom. Continuing with the wood ceilings, and I will continue to say this, it's the best decision we have made in every single room of this house so far. It allows us to keep the walls nice and bright while still giving the house a lot of character. This room is kind of a mess. I mean, our entire house is a mess right now, but we still need to tear out these studs here, and I'm going to build out custom built-in closet for all of our clothes because right now everything's just on a metal rack and it doesn't look that great. Stepping out of the primary bedroom, and we're going to go into the guest bedroom, which is actually where we've been occupied for the last several weeks. Here we put up paneling on all of the walls. We got crown molding up, we got window trim up, we got the baseboards up, and this room is looking gorgeous, but not done yet. We still have quite a bit of work to finish it, and again, I'm going to custom make a built-in closet here for this bedroom, and I'm pretty excited to begin work on that. And I can't leave without pointing this out. My wife just refinished her very first piece of furniture, in which did this completely by herself and completely knocked it out of the park. I'm super proud of her. She thrifted every single thing that you see. Okay, out of the guest bedroom and into the bathroom. This was the first room that we completed. One of the first. It was one of the first functional rooms. Let's put it that way. And one of the most stressful because it was the first time I had ever done any type of renovation to a bathroom, and obviously you have to deal with the plumbing. You have to deal with waterproofing a shower, and one of my favorite parts about this bathroom is this closet that also opens up to the hallway, so it kind of gave us an opportunity to get a little creative with what we wanted to do with storage. This door at the bottom, which also opens up to the hallway, is where we put our laundry basket out of the bathroom, and we're going to go to one of my favorite spots in the house, which is the kitchen, because it is probably one of 2 rooms that is completely done. Getting this room up and running was a lot of work. This thing started from ground zero. I mean, pretty much every room we're working on is starting from ground zero. We've done everything in this room. We've torn down the walls, tore up the floor, the checker tiling, the drywall. On these 2 walls here, we actually kept most of the exterior wall, and that's uninsulated, so that's kind of an issue, but not worried about it right now. We put up the cabinets, we got new appliances, we did the backsplash, butcher board countertops, which is one of my favorite pieces. because it works so well with the wood ceilings as well. And like I said, wood ceilings, best decision ever. A little piece that gives this kitchen so much character is this little corner nook. The reason this isn't just simply typical cabinets is because this little triangular piece up here is a duct that runs to the back of the house. So we couldn't just put regular cabinets up here. So we got a little creative and created open shelving, and that works really well for Gabby's cozy grandma style. Another one of my favorite parts of the kitchen is this little breakfast nook, and it works so well for this size of kitchen. Let's go. We are leaving the footprint of the original house that was built in '59 and entering these back rooms, but I'm gonna let our puppy dog outside, so let's talk about that first. Let's go. We haven't done a whole lot to the backyard yet, but other than the fact that we've really focused on rodent exclusion. So we got stucco done, we've replaced all the windows because we have spent so much time on the interior of our house, and the only thing we've done to the exterior of our house is exclusion related. We have spent zero time on our yard, and the perfect time for TruGreen to reach out to us. And this is the current state of our lawn right now. If you're seeing anything green in our yard, they are broadleaf weeds, and our specialist just applied weed control, and because good things take time, it will take a couple weeks before we begin to see a decline in the weeds here. So this will be the first of a series of videos that are focused on the exterior of our home. And while TruGreen is taking control of our lawn maintenance in terms of applying the correct amount of fertilizer, weed control, and providing solutions of what are going to optimize our overall lawn health, I still had the opportunity to gather some knowledge from the specialist working on my lawn, and I'll be sharing what I've learned with you as we work through this process. One of the things our TruGreen expert pointed out to me is the fact that this tree stump is an issue. It's not going to let grass grow very well, so we need to get rid of this sometime soon. Otherwise, it will take years for this thing, literally 20 years for this for the stump and the roots to decay, and that's not going to help our lawn grow very much. So it's things like that that it just is really nice having an expert come and look at your lawn, and when you sit there and bug him with questions for the 20 or 30 minutes that he's here, you end up learning a few things, so it's kind of cool. Baby, you good dog. Yes, you good dog. This lawn is nothing but weeds, so that's kind of an issue, and it's gonna take a while to get this fixed up. TruGreen has our work cut out for it, so if they can get this yard looking halfway decent, good luck to them. Also, we're closing in on a full circle moment here because I was 11 years old when I got my first job, and that was mowing my neighbor's lawn. That was the first time I remember making actual money myself from doing something, and it turned into me mowing dozens of lawns each week in my high school years. And I've always looked forward to owning a home and mowing my own lawn. So far, I've mowed weeds for the last year and a half, and I'm really looking forward to mowing actual grass here in the coming months. Let's go inside. It's hot. It's hot in here too. There are a couple rooms in the back of our house that are still completely gutted, but at least they're mold free. But here's what we're working with. Gabby is working on a second nightstand that she is in the works of refinishing. Most exciting thing that has happened in the back half of our house is we have laundry. I will never take laundry for granted. It took forever to get to the point to where we can actually hook up our machines. To the second half of the back half of our house is a complete disaster. I have tools everywhere, and I am continuing to collect more and more tools, trash, and just stuff I just really need to get rid of. It's gonna be a while before we start making renovations back here, but at least all of the moldy drywall is torn out. We have lights in here so I can actually work. And here is the bathroom. We've kind of put the bathroom on hold the last several weeks. We've just been busy with other projects, but at least we waterproofing up in most of the shower. We still need to put a third wall up after we hook up all the pipes, but hopefully soon we can start making more progress on this room. That's our house. You've seen pretty much every square foot of it, and let me know if you have any questions. This will not be the only house tour that I give. We're really excited to continue renovations on everything, and I cannot wait to start enjoying our lawn. So hopefully that's coming here pretty soon. Let me know your thoughts about everything. Let me know what I missed. This will not be the only house tour I give. I'm gonna motivate Gabby to give you guys a house tour as well, because I want her to tell you guys what she thinks about everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for all the updates that we're going to share with TruGreen and all the progress that we're making on our lawn. Stay tuned for all the updates inside the house as well. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, and we will see you soon.